Hello everybody, welcome and welcome back again to the channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing a simple yet delicious recipe that is healthy. And the best part is that it doesn't require much ingredients, it's just few ingredients and you're good to go. You can call it low budget recipe. So guys, if you're interested, please keep watching. So guys, for you to make this recipe, you need few ingredients, just like I said earlier. And this is one of it. This is the star ingredient to this recipe, guys. So it is called fruited pumpkin leaves. Another thing you can substitute it for is kale leaves. Yeah. Okay. But it is perfect with this particular leaf, fruited pumpkin leaf. So guys, the next thing to do is to plug them, just like you're watching me do. Once you're done, transfer in a bowl, pour in some water, wash it with some salt. Make sure you wash it multiple times, okay? Just to get rid of the sand, the dust completely. So you make sure you wash it well. And once you're done, the next thing is to cut them up, okay? And here we are, guys, slicing our vegetable. Feel free to increase your vegetables, okay? Yes. So at this point, guys, we're done cutting. And this is what we have. Feel free to increase it, just like I said earlier. If you have large family, increase your ingredients. All right. Now moving on, guys. It is time, guys, to do the main cooking. Yeah. So in a pan, go in with your vegetable oil, a little amount of it. Okay. Add your sliced onions. Saute it for a minute. This is after a minute. Now go in with your egg. Go on and whisk it, okay? Using your whisk or your spoon, just like me. And remember to add a pinch of salt, okay? I skipped that part. Afterwards, you pour it in. By the way, this is 5 eggs. You can increase, you can decrease, yes, depending on how big or small your vegetable is. Once you pour it, go on and adjust it just like this. This is us checking back after a minute or two. And we are flipping the other side. After that, we're going to allow it to fry some more, okay, until our egg is well fried. And please, if this is your first time coming across my video, you're welcome. This channel teaches how to make easy, delicious recipes, small chops and snacks, baking, and lots more, guys. So if it sounds interesting to you, go ahead and hit the subscription button so you become part of this amazing, beautiful family. All right, guys, at this point, our egg is well fried. Now go ahead and pour your vegetables, your sliced vegetable into it. Like I was saying, please, if it sounds interesting to you, go ahead and subscribe. Also, remember to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos, okay? Thank you. So, guys, at this point, we are going in with some seasoning. Afterwards, you stir until everything is well combined. It is coming up well. Yeah. Do not sleep on this recipe, guys. It's a must try and it is very healthy. You can kick off anemia with this recipe. Now introduce your pepper, yes, just to give it some hotness. And the next thing is your diced onions, yeah. Garnish it up with some onions. Now go in with some salt, stir to well combine, and allow it to fry for a minute. And afterwards, you bring it down. Yes, take it off the heat. For those of you that doesn't like vegetable, please, this is a must try. It tastes good. In fact, you're going to enjoy it. If you have kids that doesn't like vegetable, this is the best way to make it for them. I assure you, they will love it. Let me tell you the secret behind this recipe or how this recipe came about. Yes. So while growing up, I and my siblings who don't like vegetables. And my mother loves incorporating vegetables in everything she cooks. And back then, we don't like it. We would take the yam and then separate the vegetable and keep it for her. But ever since she started making this particular recipe, all of us fell in love with it. So guys, this is me sharing my mother's recipe with you guys. All right, now we're going to be preparing this sumptuous vegetable sauce or eggs vegetable sauce, yes, with this potatoes, yeah. So you go ahead and peel it. I usually enjoy it alone, yeah, without pairing it with anything. But today I just decide to pair it with something and I go with potato. Mind you, you can pair it with so many things. Your plantain, your white yam, your white rice, or you enjoy it like that. It tastes good. So guys, we're done peeling, done washing. The next thing is to cut them up. So get your chopping board and your knife and cut into desired sizes, okay? Just the way you wish or want. All right, guys, at this point, we are done cutting. It is time to cook them. So get your pot and transfer them into it. Next, introduce water. Cover it up with some water. After adjusting with your spoon, go on and add some salt and cover it to cook. We are going to have cooked them, or you cook them, but make sure it is still strong. This is us checking after 4 to 5 minutes. And at this point, guys, it is just perfect the way we want it. It is cooked, but it is still strong. All right, now take it off the heat. It is time to season it a bit. Go in with your peri-peri seasoning. Consists of salt, mixed herbs, pepper flakes, and so many other things, parsley. So guys, next thing is to add full teaspoon of paprika powder and stir. All right, combine it so well. I want to use this medium to say a very big thank you to all my subscribers. Yes, the kings and the queens of this amazing, beautiful family. Guys, your girl is very, very grateful for all your love and massive support. I am grateful. Please keep it up, okay? Thank you, guys. So now, after combining, go on and pour everything into your baking pan. Make sure you spread your foil paper or your parchment paper. Yeah. Now spread it all out. Next thing is to splash in some vegetable oil on them. Once you're done, pop it into your oven and bake for some minutes. Just monitor it closely. Once it gets to what you want, you bring it out. And there you have it, guys. Our baked potato is set. It is ready. Now it is time to serve. Get your plates and plate it with me, guys. So this is us dishing out our potato. Very tasty, crunchy, crispy outside and fluffy, soft inside. And this is us dishing out our tasty, delicious egg vegetables, guys. Oh my, I'm sure you are salivating. You are. This is a must try. Please give it a go and let me know how it turns out for you in the comment section, guys. Oh my, delicious, yummy. It is super easy, guys, and it is very, very healthy. Please give it a go. You will love it. Your family will definitely love it as well. All right, guys, it is time to test. So test with me. This is tasty, delicious, super good. Guys, it tasted good. You will love it. I am assuring you that you will love it. So guys, we've come to the end of today's cooking. If you found it interesting, please go ahead and like, subscribe, and follow for more easy, delicious recipes. Until next time, bye-bye.